Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys all about this new back tap feature on iOS 14. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up, how it works, all the options that you guys can change and customize with it. It's actually a really cool feature. All you have to do is go over to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down till you see accessibility. And once you're under accessibility, you want to go under physical and motor and click on touch, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see back tap right there. Just click on it. And then you see that you have two options here. You can either do double tap or triple tap. So now if you just click on the first one, so just double tap, for example, you have tons of different options that you guys can choose from. There's like control center, back to home screen, lock screen, mute, notification center, reachability, screenshot, shake, volume up, volume down, magnifier. So there's tons of options you can do in here. You can also have your shortcuts hooked up there as well. So if you have any cool shortcuts, you could hook that up as well. So for the tutorial's sake, I'll just do a screenshot for the double tap. And then obviously, if you go over to triple tap, you have all the same options. So you have two different options that you guys can set up. So just be sure to choose whatever you guys want. Obviously, you could try out other things as well. So now, once you're done picking your options for the double tap and triple tap, you guys can just exit out of your settings. And right now, if you just touch your back of your phone, just around the Apple logo area, but it does seem to work wherever you try it, to be honest with you. Another thing too is it does work with a case, so you don't have to worry about that either. So I'm just going to tap on my screen twice just beside the Apple logo. And as you guys can see, it just took a screenshot for me. It's actually really cool how this works. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to set up the back tap feature and what it's all about. If you guys want me to make an updated video showing you guys more into depth about this feature, just let me know. Otherwise, I really hope I was able to help you guys out getting started with this new feature. If it did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.